Okay, so today I'm gonna repair some ends of my extension cords that are shot. This thing is completely shot. Started to like rip right here. So I need to go ahead and cut this and then put a new end on it. One of these. And then I got this one here too that it's starting to kind of wear here. So I'm gonna replace this one. We're gonna go ahead and replace this one first. That way I know what the color codes are and I don't have to do any kind of testing. So we'll do that one first. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and we're gonna open it up. Make sure that this is unplugged. Do not work with this plugged. So these are identical, I believe. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unscrew everything. Okay. Take these screws out. And then that should pull through. Hold on. Get that out of the way. And then that should open up like that. So the reason I wanted to do this one first is that this will kind of tell me which colors go to what. So if you're looking here, like the green one, which is usually like I think it's the ground or the neutral, that one goes to this end right here, okay, which is basically going to be this end here. So usually what I do with these is I just go one at a time. I am going to cut the wires shorter and then I'm going to clean them up because these wires are kind of thrashed. So I'll go ahead and let me take this all apart real quick. That way we got everything in pieces over here. And then we're going to loosen these up as well. If you're looking at this, you have your neutral, which is right there. So then on the left side, which is the larger one, that's going to be your white wire, okay? So the white wire will go there and the black wire will go on the other side, on the small one there. So we're going to cut it anyways. Okay. I was going to cut it down here anyways. I'm going to get the wire cleaned up. It's going to be trash anyways. This is trash. The new one in there. Down like that. And then we're just going to split this. Okay, so we said the green one obviously is going to go right here with the green screwed one. So we're going to go ahead and tighten that down. And then we said the large one was the white one, so that's the one on this side. Same thing. Twist the wire a little bit. Let's get it in there. There we go. And then we'll do the same thing for this last one. I'd have to twist it pretty good to get it in there. There we go. And then tighten that down. And make sure they're all tightened down. Nice and snug. Now we're going to try to line up the 3 screws here to the 3 screws on the bottom. There we go. And then we grab our brackets here. Ones that have on one side and have the side has the screws. And this one's I will use my drill. So unplug my light, plug that in and see if it lights up. Looks like it's lighting up. There we go. So now this one works. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other cord. Now that we know the color codes, I could just go ahead and cut this, not have to mess with it. Again, make sure it's unplugged. This thing got completely just ruined. So do the same thing. Go ahead and cut this. There we go. Let's go ahead and strip these 3 wires. Twist them really good. Then we'll put our base on first. Slide that in. And then we're going to go ahead and attach our green wire first. There we go. Tighten that down. The large one again was the white one. That's the one on this side. Let's go and put that in. There. Okay, then with this one here, so there's 2 edges here. There's one with like a cutout and then the one with a flat. The flat edge goes towards the plug. That pretty much will do it. Let's test this plug out. Give me a second, let me connect it. There we go. Yep, perfect. All right, so we fixed both of those. So that's how you pretty much repair these ends, and you don't have to throw away your extension cords. You can always repair these ends. You can also repair the other end, the male end. This is the female end, but you can repair them. They do sell these. I want to say, I think these ones were $5 to $6, I think, for these ends. They have cheaper ones. These ones are okay. They have other ones that have metal. They're a little bit more expensive. I don't like having the metal because I do work with water, and if anything hits water here, I don't want to get shocked. So that's why I don't buy those ones. But I've had my extension cords for a pretty long time, and you know, unless they start to really get tore up, then I'll replace them. But for now, they seem to be working. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was short, but easy video on how to replace the female ends on your extension cords. Thanks for watching.